Let's create a folder. We are going to name this folder UI. This folder will contain the micro UI we'll be creating for this project. And inside the folder, let's create two files. First, we create a file called card_content.dat. We will be creating all our card contents in here. Let's create another file, and we are going to call this sliding_card .dat. This will be the card itself. So this particular file will be the card itself. Let's create another file outside our UI folder and call it sliding_card_view_.dat. This will be the layout of our sliding cards with page view. Inside our sliding card _view, let's create a stateful widget called SlidingCardView. This will be in a camel case. And also import material dat package to remove the errors we are having over there. Let's go over to our main.dat and import our sliding card view. So inside our main.dat, as you can see in the home argument, we have my home page, which is the default project. Let's comment that out. We comment that out, and then we replace the home arguments with our own sliding card view. Let's go back to our sliding card view, and inside our sliding card view file, we will start making changes to our sliding card view. So this will be the layout for the cards we'll be creating. So the cards will be inside this sliding card view, which will contain our page view and other stuff to display the cards. And we are going to add a scrolling animation also in this file. So we added a scaffold to the sliding card view. So the scaffold will be the parent of all the widgets we'll be adding, and inside the scaffold body we will be adding another widget called safe area. So safe area inside the body, and we will add stack widget as a safe area child, And inside our stack widget, we'll be adding our cards as the children of stack widget. And we'll be adding a dummy container, as you can see. So let's add some dummy containers to the children. Then we can use that as our starting points, or as a holder for our real cards. We'll be replacing that later on with our real cards when we are done with the UI. We'll be doing that also. So inside our UI folder, let's go to the sliding card itself, and inside our sliding card file, let's create a stateless widget. We create a stateless widget, and the stateless widget will be the same name as the sliding card file, so we call it sliding card. And don't forget to import your material package to remove the highlighted red lines. So inside here, we will be creating every single thing, every single UI for our card, what our card will looks like, and the body of our card will be created in here. Let's remove the container and replace it with the card widget. I mean the Flutter native card widget. Yeah, so we are going to make that as our main widget. And inside our card widget, we are going to add colon as the child. So the child is going to be colon. Thanks for watching this part. Let's get over to the next part of the video on this playlist.